The child-proof cap is a special protective packaging. Internationally, countries such as the United States, the United Kingdom, and Australia have already legislated to force some drugs to use this kind of packaging. Although there is no legislation in China, it will also become a trend. The key to child-resistant packaging lies in the design of the cap. Child-proof caps generally adopt a double-layer structure. The inner cap is threadedly connected to the bottle mouth, and the outer cap is connected to the inner cap. The bottle cap can only be opened under the combined action of pressure and rotational torque. Xinfuda's child-proof caps for oral preparations adopt a universal 28mm caliber, which can be adapted to plastic bottles or glass bottles according to the different characteristics of the two materials of plastic and glass. A corresponding special design has been made on the internal structure of the bottle cap, and the sealing effect is better. The gasket does not adhere or absorb liquid medicine. Xinfuda has focused on the pharmaceutical packaging industry for more than 20 years. It has been recognized by the country and the industry. It has rich experience in the research and application of drug approval-related policies. The child-proof cap for oral preparations has passed the CD-related approval with a status of A. The products are comparable to the international ones in terms of airtightness, stability, safety, quality management, and so on, alleviating the domestic dominance of imported screw cap brands and having far-reaching significance for the popularization of child-proof packaging in China.